I have never posted defamatory statements about him or regarding him.
Claims of harassment from multiple women over a practicing lawyer's comments and actions on social media.
And then he started asking me for pictures. And then when I blocked him, he contacted my friend.
Why the man at the center of the accusations is now dropping out of the legal fight.
This is more of an effort to ensure that he is not harassing anyone else.
A Colorado attorney who's also a convicted sex offender, he is defending himself in court once again.
Contact 7 first exposed this attorney after he had himself taken off the sex offender registry.
Denver 7's Jacqueline Allen is exposing new claims that attorney Matthew Buck is harassing women and girls online and in court, and now one woman is fighting back.
I was just so scared that this person is an attorney.
Talking to us from her home in L.A., Bora Song wants to make sure what happened to her doesn't happen again.
Do you think he'll be disbarred because of this?
Honestly, I would hope so, and I would gladly go to Colorado if it would be of any help for the investigation.
She filed this complaint obtained by Denver 7, accusing Denver attorney Matthew Buck of soliciting sex and sexually explicit photos from minors and women on social media, among other charges.
He actually followed me on Twitter, and then he started asking me for pictures.
This is not the first time Buck has faced allegations involving his online activity.
It's destroyed, shattered my life.
This year on Denver 7, Amy Stallon spoke out publicly for the first time. More than a decade ago, she met Buck on an AOL chat room when she was just 14.
A former coach at Arapahoe High School is under arrest tonight.
He later pled guilty to attempted sex assault on a child, but this year legally got himself off the sex offender registry.
Hey, you've reached Matt Buck, attorney at law.
We again tried to get Buck's side.
Hi, Matt. This is Jacqueline Allen with Denver 7.
With no response. He was fighting back in federal court, accusing Bora Song of creating a fake Twitter account to defame him and injure his reputation. But new court transcripts obtained by Denver 7 show a federal judge said it would be crazy to proceed with that case, pointing out that Buck is a convicted sex offender, and even if he could win his defamation claim, it is extraordinarily unlikely that a jury would award him 5 cents. Buck voluntarily dismissed his case.
This case that he filed against you, what was this really about?
In my opinion, it was just him harassing me and to make a point that even if I block him, he will follow me and he will ruin my life one way or another.
Records Song filed in federal court claimed to show Buck was telling her friends she was a prostitute, threatening to contact her future employer. She also provided purported direct messages with other women and girls saying they were also harassed. Now, she's taking those records to the Colorado Attorney Regulation Council, saying she's fighting for others too scared to speak out.
I want that opportunity to help them.
Now, those investigations into attorneys are confidential. Song tells us Buck has not responded to the complaint yet, which is required in the next week. In a previous phone call, Buck would only call her allegations a total falsehood. And Shannon?